Stop memorizing English. Start listening to it. Start speaking it.
I'd love to tell you about my typical day. My mornings usually start quite early, around 6:30, when my alarm goes off and I force myself out of bed. The first thing I do is drink a large glass of water. Then I spend about 15 minutes stretching or doing some light exercise to wake up my body. After a quick shower, I head to the kitchen and prepare a simple breakfast, usually some toast with eggs and a cup of black coffee. I can't start my day without coffee, to be honest. While I eat, I like to check the news or listen to a short podcast in English. It helps me warm up my brain before I dive into work. I work from 9 to 5 as a graphic designer at a small creative agency. My job involves a lot of meetings, brainstorming sessions, and of course, designing. I spend most of my day in front of a screen, so I try to take short breaks every hour to rest my eyes and move around a little. Lunch is around 1 o'clock, and I usually bring something from home, leftovers from dinner the night before, or a quick salad. After lunch, I often take a short walk outside to get some fresh air. It clears my mind and helps me focus for the second half of the day.